Alright, I ain't been doing enough YouTube for you guys. Here it is. Fucking FX in charge. Fucking I am FX. Fungi X. Have been, always will be. Calvin X. Got that signature right there, you stupid asshole. What's your name? Social credit system? You stupid bitch. Fuck you, social credit system. Anyone watching this who knows the name social credit system, don't trust that fucking faggot. The dude's a retard. Anyways, this video, what it's about today is I broke my shoe. And now, in this day and age of masks and, having to have protected sex and whatnot, we can't be going out and buying new shoes all the time. So what we're doing, I'm gonna teach you motherfuckers how to repair a shoe. This is what you gotta get yourself here. You get yourself some your broken shoes, right there, and you do this. You're gonna fix them up real nice, like by taking this duct tape, and it helps to get like a shiny, fancy, vibrant color because it makes it stand out better. But this is the trick, you guys. Put your foot in the shoe before you tape it. Then it'll fit right. And don't worry about covering up any logos, because the tape is going to replace the logo with something much more valuable. And you can see there, that is a one well-repaired shoe. And look it. Now, when I go out clubbing, go out wook hunting, I guess they're calling it nowadays, I'd be crip walking with the fanciness. And you can put whatever design you want on there. You could put another Nike logo. You could put an upside down fucking Swisher Sweet logo, fucking Swang logo. Two Smurfs gangbanging a fucking gypsy in a swimming pool playing fucking, poker, dogs playing poker around poker tables. Whatever you want. Anyways, that's my foot. If you like the video, like it right down there on the dibbly dudes. If you don't like the video, you take your stupid ass and hit that dislike button right down there. And then go into the bathroom and punch yourself right into the vagina, you pussy. And if you want to keep following along, you can hit that subscribe button, and then you can just get a subscription to me. And then you'll be inside my mind. And if not, I guess fuck you. You won't be seeing any new shoe fixes from me.